You don't just wake up one day and end up in a hospital. It usually starts way before that. Maybe it's a throat infection that's been bothering you for a few days, or a skin allergy that suddenly shows up out of nowhere, or your doctor casually saying, "Let's do a couple of blood tests just to be sure." Nothing serious, no hospitalization. And yet, every visit ends the same way. You pay. Sometimes more than you expected. Not once, not twice, but almost every single time you visit a doctor. Now here's the strange part. You probably do have health insurance. Maybe your company provides one. So why are these small, everyday medical expenses still coming out of your own pocket? The reason is simple. Most traditional health insurance plans are designed to cover major medical events like hospital stays, surgeries, or emergencies. But for everyday healthcare, like doctor consultations, lab tests, and medicines that usually happens outside the hospital, since there's no hospital admission involved, these expenses are not covered by regular health insurance. This is where OPD insurance, or outpatient department insurance, comes in. So what exactly is OPD insurance and why is it actually beneficial for you? Let's break it down in this video. What is OPD insurance? OPD insurance stands for Outpatient Department Insurance. In simple words, it covers medical expenses where you don't need to be admitted to a hospital. This includes things like visiting a doctor for a consultation, getting blood tests or scans done, or buying medicines that your doctor prescribes. Basically, you go to the clinic, get treated, and come back home the same day. That's OPD. And that's exactly what OPD insurance is designed for. Unlike regular health insurance, which usually kicks in only after you're hospitalized for 24 hours or more, OPD insurance focuses on everyday healthcare. But let's be real, you're not getting hospitalized every year. OPD visits, though, those happen all the time. Seasonal illnesses, follow-up visits, routine tests your doctor recommends. Individually, these expenses don't feel like a big deal. But over time, they add up too quickly. And OPD insurance helps cover these regular medical costs so you're not paying from your own pocket every single time. How does OPD insurance work? Types of OPD. Now let's talk about how OPD insurance actually works in real life, because this is where most people get confused. But it's pretty much simpler than it sounds. In most cases, OPD insurance works on a reimbursement or cashless basis. Reimbursement-based OPD. Here's how that usually works. You visit a doctor or a diagnostic center. You pay the bill. You keep the receipts and prescriptions. Then you submit these documents to your insurer. Based on your policy terms, you get reimbursed for those expenses. That's it. Cashless OPD. Now, some OPD plans also offer cashless treatment. In this case, you visit a network clinic, hospital, or lab. You don't pay up front. The insurer settles the bill directly. This removes the hassle of reimbursement completely, which works perfectly well for working professionals. Why OPD matters? Key benefits of OPD insurance. So why does OPD insurance actually help? Because it covers the kind of healthcare you deal with all the time. Here are some key benefits of having OPD insurance. It gives you financial relief. Doctor consultations, lab tests, medicines. These are small expenses, but they happen often. OPD insurance covers these costs, so routine healthcare doesn't keep draining your wallet. It encourages early care. When doctor visits are affordable, you're more likely to consult early instead of ignoring symptoms. That early visit often stops small health issues from turning into bigger, more serious problems later on. It supports preventive healthcare. Things like vaccinations and health screenings become easier to do regularly instead of being postponed again and again. It gives you flexibility and convenience. You can visit network clinics or hospitals and choose cashless treatment or reimbursement depending on what works best for you. Even if you need regular allergy checkups or routine blood tests, OPD insurance quietly handles those recurring expenses, saving you money and cutting down stress. In short, OPD insurance takes care of the healthcare you actually use regularly and seamlessly, without unnecessary worry. Is OPD insurance worth it? So, is OPD insurance actually worth it? The answer depends on one simple thing: how often you use healthcare outside a hospital. If the answer is yes, OPD should be part of your insurance. If you're looking for a smarter way to access OPD and wellness benefits, check out Visit Health, because good healthcare shouldn't begin only when things get serious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who keeps paying for doctor visits out of pocket.